So this is breaking news. President Trump and the First Lady have just been tested positive for COVID-19. So Donald Trump has COVID-19, tested positive. Earlier today, they had said that one of his aides, Hope Hicks, who's been with Trump this whole week, had contracted COVID-19. And as soon as they found out, I guess Trump took the test and found out that he was positive. We found out about this news through his own tweet. Tonight at FLOTUS, First Lady of the United States, and I tested positive for the COVID-19. We will begin our quarantine and recovery process immediately. We will get through this together. Trump, who's 74, Thursday, before the results, and the First Lady Melania Trump are quarantining. It comes as over 7 million cases have been confirmed in the United States, according to the data from Johns Hopkins University. Trump has received criticism for his leadership in handling the country's response. According to Johns Hopkins, over 200,000 people have died from the disease. Trump has adjusted some large-scale events such as the GOP convention for his renomination. And there was a lot of controversy over that. I guess, people weren't wearing masks. And it says, but also forge ahead with rallies in recent months where he and many supporters have been seen without masks. The commander-in-chief has at times been seen wearing a face mask, but he's also afraid criticism for whether he could have done so more frequently. From what I recall, in the beginning, he refused to wear a mask. He said he personally didn't need one. And it wasn't until it started getting really bad, maybe 3 months in, that he decided to wear a mask. And then he had that photo op where he went to visit a hospital, a federal hospital. And then at that point, then he wore the mask and took a picture with his military guys behind him. The commander-in-chief at times has been seen wearing a mask, but he's also forced criticism for whether he could have done so more frequently. The Centers of Disease and Control Prevention recommends wearing one in public settings, staying 6 feet apart from people, and other measures. The whole White House has previously noted that there's rampant testing for Trump and people who come into contact with him. Trump took the test with his wife, after a top aide, Hope Hicks, tested positive according to the reports. Hicks traveled with the president multiple times this week, including aboard Marine One, the presidential helicopter, for a Minnesota rally Wednesday, and aboard Air Force One to Tuesday night's first presidential debate. Wow. Okay. So, what do you guys think? Trump has COVID. I can imagine a lot of conspiracies coming out. This news source, it just came out 5 minutes ago about WBAL TV. Looks like it's NBC. And it's going to be interesting to see what happens next. So I guess we're going to have to just wait and see.